Knowing how to say the names of different fruit in Italian is essential. Just imagine shopping at your local fruttivendolo, fruit seller, and confidently asking for some juicy peaches or a bunch of cherries like a native. In this lesson, you're going to learn the names of common fruits in Italian, the names of fruit trees, important Italian phrases when shopping for fruit in Italian, and to finish up, you're going to learn some commonly used Italian expressions that involve fruit. And you'll also learn why the word for fig can actually be offensive. You won't want to miss that. And don't worry about taking notes, I've done all the hard work for you. To help you practice, make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet for this lesson, which includes all the vocabulary and examples from this lesson. Just click on the link in the description box below this video. Pronti? Iniziamo! Now, how do you say the word fruit in Italian? Now, in Italian, the word fruit translates to
frutta
and is preceded by the definite article la, meaning the. Similar to English, this term is a collective noun and it encompasses all types of fruit. Here are some examples.
Vado al mercato a comprare della frutta.
I'm going to the market to buy some fruit.
Ho preparato una crostata di frutta per domani.
I prepared a fruit tart for tomorrow. Frutta remains singular except in idiomatic expressions like
dare I suoi frutti.
To bear fruit. For instance,
vedi, il tuo duro lavoro sta dando I suoi frutti.
See, your hard work is paying off.
L'investimento comincerà a dare I suoi frutti tra un anno.
The investment will start to bear fruit in a year. Instead, when referring to a single piece of fruit, the word to use is
il frutto,
which indicates any piece of fruit in general. Take a look at these examples.
La banana è un frutto ricco di potassio.
The banana is a fruit rich in potassium.
Mangio sempre un frutto a fine pasto.
I always have a piece of fruit at the end of a meal. Here are the names of all fruits listed in their singular and plural forms in Italian.
La mandorla, le mandorle.
Almond, almonds.
La mela, le mele.
Apple, apples.
L'albicocca, le albicocche.
Apricot, apricots.
L'avocado, gli avocado.
Avocado, avocados.
La banana, le banane.
Banana, bananas.
Il bergamotto, I bergamotti.
Bergamot, bergamots.
L'amarena, le amarene.
Black cherry, black cherries.
La mora, le more.
Blackberry, blackberries.
Il ribes nero, I ribes neri.
Blackcurrant, blackcurrants.
Il ribes rosso, I ribes rossi.
Red currant, red currants.
Il mirtillo, I mirtilli.
Blueberry, blueberries.
L'anacardo, gli anacardi.
Cashew, cashews.
Il cedro, I cedri.
Cedar, cedars.
La ciliegia, le ciliegie.
Cherry, cherries.
Il chinotto, I chinotti.
Chinotto, this doesn't change in English.
La clementina, le clementine.
Clementine, clementines.
Il cocco, I cocchi.
Coconut, coconuts.
Il dattero, I datteri.
Date, dates.
Il fico, I fichi.
Fig, figs.
L'uva, l'uva.
Grape, grapes.
Il pompelmo, I pompelmi.
Grapefruit, grapefruits.
La nocciola, le nocciole.
Hazelnut, hazelnuts.
Il melone bianco, I meloni bianchi.
Honeydew, honeydews.
Il kiwi, I kiwi.
Kiwi, kiwis.
Il limone, I limoni.
Lemon, lemons.
Il lime, I lime.
Lime, limes.
Il lici. I lici.
Lychee, lychees.
La noce macadamia. Le noci macadamia.
Macadamia, macadamias.
Il mango. I manghi.
Mango, mangoes.
La nespola. Le nespole.
Medlar, medlars.
Il melone. I meloni.
Melon, melons.
La pesca noce. Le pesche noci.
Nectarine, nectarines.
L'arancia. Le arance.
Orange, oranges.
La papaya. Le papaie.
Papaya, papayas.
Il caco. I cachi.
Persimmon, persimmons.
Il frutto della passione. I frutti della passione.
Passion fruit.
La nocciolina. Le noccioline.
Peanut, peanuts.
La pera. Le pere.
Pear, pears.
La pesca. Le pesche.
Peach, peaches.
Il pinolo. I pinoli.
Pine nut, pine nuts.
L'ananas. Gli ananas.
Pineapple, pineapples.
Il pistacchio. I pistacchi.
Pistachio, pistachios.
La prugna. La susina. Le prugne. Le susine.
Plum, plums.
Il melograno. I melograni.
Pomegranate, pomegranates.
Il fico d'India. I fichi d'India.
Prickly pear, prickly pears.
La mela cotogna. Le mele cotogne.
Quince, quinces.
Il lampone. I lamponi.
Raspberry, raspberries.
La fragola. Le fragole.
Strawberry, strawberries.
Il mandarino. I mandarini.
Tangerine, tangerines.
La noce. Le noci.
Walnut, walnuts.
L'anguria. Il cocomero. Le angurie. I cocomeri.
Watermelon, watermelons.
La fragolina di bosco. Le fragoline di bosco.
Wild strawberry, wild strawberries. Are you enjoying this lesson? Don't let the learning stop here. Make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet for this lesson, which you'll find a link to in the description box below this video. Now let's take a look at fruit trees in Italian. Now in Italian, while most fruit names are feminine nouns, fruit trees are mostly masculine. To convert the name of a fruit into the corresponding fruit tree, simply change the feminine ending from A to the masculine ending O. It's as easy as that. Take a look at these examples.
La pesca.
Peach becomes
Il pesco.
peach tree.
La banana.
Banana becomes
Il banano.
banana tree.
La nespola.
Medlar becomes
Il nespolo.
medlar tree. However, there are three important exceptions. The first one is some fruits maintain the same spelling but change the gender of the article. For example,
La noce.
walnut,
Il noce.
walnut tree. Number two, masculine fruits keep the same spelling for both the fruit tree and the fruit itself. For example,
Il limone.
lemon,
Il limone.
lemon tree.
Il fico.
Fig,
Il fico.
fig tree. And
Il pistacchio.
pistachio,
Il pistacchio.
pistachio tree. Number three, in some cases, the fruit tree has a completely different name compared to the fruit. For example,
L'uva.
grape,
La vite.
grapevine. How do you talk about fruit in Italian? Well, when discussing fruit in Italian, it's useful to learn some additional vocabulary, such as
Dolce.
this means sweet, as in
Questa mela è molto dolce.
this apple is very sweet.
Aspro.
Sour, as in,
I limoni sono piuttosto aspri.
lemons are rather sour.
Acerbo.
Unripe, as in,
Quelle pesche sono così acerbe che non si possono mangiare.
those peaches are so unripe that you can't eat them.
Maturo.
Ripe, as in,
Mi serve un melone maturo da mangiare oggi.
I need a ripe melon to eat today.
Buccia.
Skin or peel, for example,
La buccia della frutta è ricca di vitamine.
the peel of fruit or the skin of fruit is rich in vitamins.
Semi.
Seeds, as in,
Questi mandarini sono pieni di semi.
these tangerines are full of seeds.
Nocciolo.
Stone or pip, for example,
Ho piantato un nocciolo di avocado.
I planted an avocado stone.
Grappolo.
Bunch, as in,
Mi dia quel grappolo d'uva.
please give me that bunch of grapes.
Frutta di stagione.
Seasonal fruit, as in,
Compro solo frutta di stagione.
I only buy seasonal fruit.
Frutta a chilometro zero.
This means locally grown fruit, as in,
Gli agriturismi della zona vendono frutta a chilometro zero.
the farmhouses in the area sell locally sourced fruit.
Macedonia.
Fruit salad, as in,
Ti va della Macedonia con gelato?
would you like some fruit salad with ice cream? Now let's learn some common phrases that you need to know when shopping for fruit in Italian. Now that you're familiar with the essential vocabulary of the names of fruits, let's explore some phrases that are useful for purchasing fruit at a market or from a fruttivendolo, the fruit seller. Take a look at these examples.
Vorrei delle mele, per favore.
I'd like some apples, please.
Vorrei un melone da mangiare oggi, per favore.
I'd like a melon to eat today, please.
Avete delle fragole?
Do you have any strawberries?
Sono dolci questi mandarini?
Are these tangerines sweet?
Potrei avere mezzo chilo di pere?
Could I have half a kilo of pears, please? Now let's learn some Italian expressions that use fruit. Now, in Italian language and culture, fruit is very often used metaphorically to convey ideas beyond their literal meanings. Here are some common fruit-related phrases frequently used in everyday conversations, starting with
Essere alla frutta.
literally, to be at the fruit. This means to hit rock bottom, usually referring to a challenging situation.
Spremere come un limone.
Literally, to squeeze like a lemon. This means to exploit someone or something to the fullest, using all their resources or energy.
La ciliegina sulla torta.
Literally, the little cherry on the cake. This refers to something wonderfully positive that happens at the end of an event, perfectly completing it.
Non mi importa un fico secco.
Literally, I don't care about a dried fig. This means to be indifferent towards someone or something.
Non valere un fico secco.
Literally, not worth a dried fig. This refers to something or someone that is entirely worthless.
Fico.
This exclamation literally means fig, and it refers to someone who's cool or attractive in slang. A similar term
Figo.
is commonly used to compliment someone playfully. It's essential to note that the feminine version of fico, which is
Fica.
has a vulgar connotation, and it means that four-letter word that starts with C. The next Italian idiom is
Fare la figura del peracottaro.
literally to make the figure of the pear cooker. This means to make a bad impression or to be incompetent in your job. This idiom comes from vendors who once sold cooked pears in local markets, which were often seen as low-quality products.
Prendere in castagna.
Literally, to catch in the chestnut. This refers to catching someone while they are committing a crime or a disgraceful action.
Essere una mela marcia.
Literally, to be a rotten apple. This means to be dishonest or corrupt.
Cadere come una pera cotta.
Literally, to fall like a baked pear. This means to easily fall into a trap. It's also used ironically to depict someone who suddenly and deeply falls in love.
Limonare.
Literally, to lemon. This means to kiss passionately and is often a slang term used by youngsters.
Fare come la volpe con l'uva.
Literally, to act like the fox with grapes. This means to show contempt or disinterest for something desired but unattainable.
Farsi una pera.
Literally, to make oneself a pear. This means to inject oneself with drugs, especially heroin. It's a common reflexive verb used among drug addicts.
Avere la pelle a buccia d'arancia.
Literally, to have orange peel skin. This refers to having skin textured like the surface of an orange peel. In other words, cellulite.
Scivolare su una buccia di banana.
Literally, to slip on a banana peel. This means to make a misstep that leads to trouble or embarrassment.
Essere una macedonia.
Literally, to be a fruit salad. This means to be a mix of different things.
Essere frutto di.
Literally, to be fruit of. This means to be the result of something.
Mettere a frutto.
Literally, to put to fruit. This means to put to good use, to use something in a productive manner.
Cogliere il frutto quando è maturo.
Literally, to seize the fruit when it's ripe. This means to know how to act at the right moment, seizing a favorable opportunity.
Frutto proibito.
Literally, forbidden fruit. This is anything that's forbidden or restricted, particularly pleasures or desires. Now, to continue your learning and to help you practice, make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet with this lesson, which you'll find a link to in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, then you'll love Intrepid Italian, my series of online self-paced video courses that break down everything you need to know about Italian using my unique 80-20 method. More details in the description below. Now, if you enjoyed this lesson, make sure you watch this video here on how to cheat your way to fluency using modal verbs. It's a real game changer. Plus, watch this video here to master 100 of the most commonly used words in Italian. In the meantime, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those notifications so you get an alert when I post more video lessons like this one. Until next time, un abbraccio. Ciao!